Hey everybody, just want to give you guys an update on my X-Wing build from this Bandai Star Wars kit 2-pack, regular scale 172 and 144 scale. So here's my 172 scale, and the last video told you guys this was going to be Wedge and Red 2. So I have the two stripes there on the wing, and of course I already messed this one up because this decal on this top side I did not put far enough toward the edge of the wing, like this one. This one's properly placed. This one I didn't put in far enough. So I just kept going with it and seeing what what techniques I can use. The red parts here I just painted with Vallejo red, the regular air red. Let's see, look at that here. Yeah, this one right here, red. And the body of the X-Wing, I used 10 parts of Tamiya white and 1 part of XF66. And a lot of these paints are not my formulas. I've been looking around, looking at other people's videos and trying them out. So this one I liked, so I've stuck with it. And of course, you make your notes because you'll forget what the heck you mixed. And make sure you label it. Make a whole batch, and then label it so that way when you do, like me, I want to do like 3 of these. I want them all to have the same color. So did a little research. I saw that Wedge had a red astrometric droid, which was not completely evident in movie scenes, but I figured that out. And actually, his whole body should have been red. So next time I'll have to do that before I put him in there. I got just painted. I did some dry brushing on the cockpit parts here, and I got his. I hope this is in focus, guys. A little gray, because he had a little gray on the sides of his helmet, which is good because there were some other pilots that had like really strange patterns on their helmets, and that'd be hard to duplicate. And just have a little fun, put some colors in there randomly to make it look nice. I used some of the Tamiya panel line accent on these parts and on these parts. I'm still trying to get a good technique down because the Tamiya stuff, the panel line accent stuff, got to use thinner to spread it around, and then I have actually messed up the paint in a few spots doing that. So I gotta make sure I put a top coat on here. Probably the best thing to do is just to put the acrylic top coat, the floor clear, and that way you won't you'll have less chance of messing up the paint underneath. I did mess up some of the decals, so I ended up painting some spots. So this won't be my diorama display one when I do a little local contest here, probably in a year. So I'll just keep messing around with this as a trial experiment. Okay, put some paint in there to try to get some engine effects. So yeah, I'm just messing around, seeing what works. This is pretty much done. Oh, I'm going to try to put the clear canopy with a decal on it and put it on here. I haven't done that yet, but I just gotta weather this down just a little bit more. And like I said, I'm messing around with some techniques, see what looks best. I don't want to overdo it. I don't want to underdo it. You can see there, I tried the panel line accent, and I think I messed up some of the look of it. If you see there, But anyway, so that's what's happening with this one. The only thing really left is a few more decals, the canopy, and a little bit of weathering. After I do some weathering, I might do another video and show you guys what I've come up with. So, all right, guys. Till next time.